Hello everybody, this is Patrick. I hope you're doing well today. Today I just want to talk to you about something very interesting that crossed my path a few days ago. It is called Forsage. It's a company that is totally decentralized that allows you to accumulate Ethereum for those who know about crypto. And the way it is done and work is quite interesting. I used to get into programs a few years back, and I don't know if you're like me, if you signed up into one of those opportunities, it wasn't too long until the main person in charge of those website companies would just close it down and take off with the money. In this case, this is quite different. This is peer-to-peer. Basically, you get paid into your own wallet as you advance into the program. I'm just going to show you some people that I'm following. Actually, those are my uplines. I have 3 of them, and they're doing quite well. And I was very inspired by what I saw and what they're doing. So just in case you would be interested to join us, because we're doing a kind of team build with a lot of help, material help, to how to promote yourself and stuff like that. So let me just get started. I'm just going to do this over here. And basically I'm going to show you one of my appliance accounts. And as you can see, in one month, basically in 1 month, that person earned about $300,000. This is his first account, of course. You can see the ID number now, and I will show you the second one later. You can hide the ID if you want to also as well. Not a problem. There we go. So he has about in this account 44 people that are under him. Doesn't mean he did it by himself. It could be people that just joined, and that's it. Over here you see the level of achievement, 17%. Okay, and there is Forsage X3, which is the top one here, and Forsage X4, which is over here, the bottom one. Okay, he's earned about 521 plus Ethereum, almost 522 Ethereum. Now, right now, Ethereum is valued at less than $250. About 2 years ago, Ethereum was up to $1,100. And I can tell you that within 2 years or 3 years, Ethereum would be easily in the $5,000 and $7,000, because that's the crypto number 2, right behind Bitcoin, of course. So, the way it is, if you read the chart here and take a look at this, you have over here the partners that invited by you. Then you have the bottom overflow, which means people below you get spillover from them from under. You also get spilled over from the top, which is quite amazing. In case you were just thinking that only those other people are the one in charge, in control, well, wrong. And then also there is partner who is ahead of his inviter. Okay, because they got very aggressive. They decided to buy all those slots over here, because in order to advance, you have to buy this one by one. Okay, that's basically it. Okay, so if you look at here, especially these over here, you can see that he's got a bottom overflow, but also from the top as well. Okay, when you get 51.2, actually, yes. So in this Forsage by 4, you can see you have 6 people into each slot. The 2 first you don't get paid from. That goes to the person ahead of you. Actually, you get those one at the bottom, those 4, but still, you can see that this is very interesting. So, like I was saying, 125,479. Let's take a look on these second accounts, and you'll see what I'm talking about. There we go. you can view anyone's account. This is so transparent. I mean, someone can give you his ID and you can check them out. You know, over here you have what, 195, 124. So if you accumulate those two accounts, it's over $300,000. Achievement 28%. Okay, and again, you can see spillover happening. You have 274 people into this system for this upline. He cycled 112 times, which means that you keep the wheel going. It doesn't stop. It goes to infinity. As people come in, it keeps on going. It never stops. Okay, so just to show you this account, we're gonna go now to take a look at one of my other upline. His name is well, I won't give his name. I shouldn't do that. But anyway, I will show you the link to a video later. That the video is about an hour, and you listen to them. They discuss why they're doing this, how they're doing it, and then many more things that will entice you to join us. You see over here, you have about what, $5,000, 94 people under him. Okay, and of course it's different. But look again. Partner who is ahead of his inviter, he collect right here. You see, some people are more aggressive. He benefit from somebody who's not really participating, you know, who didn't upgrade in time or something like that. Okay, and the same thing. Okay, you see over here, this is going well for him. Okay. Now, let's log out of this account. I'm going to show you another account, which is my direct upline. Let's see if I can find right here. Okay. And okay, so 23 Ethereum, $5,000, not bad. Okay. And now I'm just going to show mine. Like I said, I just started about 4 or 5 days ago. I was very enthusiastic. I have 3 people so far under me. Okay, I cycle once over here, cycle once over here, and I'm waiting to cycle from here. So what I'm doing now is just promoting. I upgrade to the slot number 5, just to make sure I don't miss any payment when people are going to be signing up under me. Okay, and to the Forsage X4, I went to the 8th slot already. Okay, and I also got a spillover from people who are ahead of me, probably from my sponsors. See, although I didn't collect it because that goes to somebody else, I will collect when it goes down here. Okay, but still, anyway, if you watch the presentation, you're going to understand how this is working. But anyway, just want to let you know, if you have any kind of interest to join us, take a look at this video. Okay, I will put the link of this video in the details of this video. This is the presenter over here. This is Jeremy, as a matter of fact, and this is Paulo. So they're both partners, and they have done well. They will explain to you how they did it, how they're doing it, and how they stay motivated, of course. Okay, so please watch this video. It's about an hour, so take some time to watch it, and I'm sure after you watch this, you'll be interesting to join us. Okay, all right, enough said. Bye for now. See you on the other side very soon, I hope. Bye.